Hey, what's up guys? So on this video we will be able to actually save our Bitcoin Cash, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to go on to our Luno account, which is here. Okay, so we come on to here, we come on to straight on to our wallets, we go down. So this is our USDC. So we want to be able to make some passive income with this, right? So we're going to come here and save our USDC, right? So so we have to buy some USDC first. What we're going to do, we're gonna go and buy some USDC first, right? This is USDC. So we're going to buy some USDC, right? Once off, how would you like to pay for your USDC coin? So going to use wallet. So how much do we want to buy our USDC coin? Okay, so we're going to put in 1,000 rand. It says next. We'll buy this and that. I'm going to have a 66. You will receive this, and the charges is going to be approximately 2%, which is about 20 rand. Okay, let's do it. I put in my code. Okay, so our USDC has been bought. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go, we're going to go and save our USDC, right? So we'll come on to this USDC coin right down here. So we're doing that. So USDC, I have 00 there. So we're going to put in. So I'm gonna put in all max right there. So transferring USDC to USDC, right? In and out of your saving wallet for free. So going to say next, transfer this. What? Fee. It's free. You will start earning interest the follow, right? So this says you will start earning interest at the following day at a variable interest rate, right? So we're going to confirm this. You transfer 66.80 to your USDC saving wallet. Transfer are not instant and may take a short while for a USDC to appear on a USDC saving wallet. Interest is paid out on the first of each month. So the date today is I think I'll be earning at the 1st of June. So we'll see in just about 10 days to get to that, and then we will see how much we have made. So make sure you subscribe so that you can be able to see that, because I'm going to come and show you what passive income I have made with that. So stay tuned guys, and then make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.